So hello all, welcome to UC Shop. This is Kasif. So these are all the varieties that we are trying to show you today. So we have this cotton silk, we have copper brocade, silver brocade, we have this soft cotton silk, we have kora muslin, and we have tissue silk as well. So what I was starting today with is a very beautiful this soft cotton silk. This is soft cotton Banarasi sari, price rate rupees a very affordable range, price rate rupees 750 free shipping, 750 free shipping, shipping is free pan India. So this is a very we'll be starting with this range. So let's just have a full view of this. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful soft cotton silk Banarsi sari. In this you'll be getting this beautiful floral bootas in the complete body of the sari. We have this one zari boota and then one resham work boota. So this you'll be getting all over same in the complete body of the sari. With this tassel, we have made this tassel for your pallu. So this sari is priced to be 750 free shipping. This is a very beautiful pink color, and also you can get a brocade blouse as well with this. If you want, you can just message in WhatsApp. For blouse also, we'll add the blouse as well for you. So and also to let you know, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and message us on our WhatsApp number. So I'll be showing you more colors in this. This is a very beautiful red color. Let's just have a look at red color as well. I'll be showing you only 2 to 3 colors I'll be opening. So this is a very beautiful, we have tried to give in red with green combination, very beautiful contrast tone. So as you can see, it has one zari woven boota and one resham work boota in the green shade to give it a contrast touch. And this you'll be getting a pallu. So this saree is also priced with 750 free shipping pan India. We have tried to bring a very affordable, very comfortable range for you. So I'll be showing you like this other colors as well. So this is a very beautiful royal blue shade in this. This is the royal blue shade, and this here we have is tussar color. We also call this cream or tussar color. This is the tussar color. We have given this tussar with pink combination to give it a beautiful contrast touch. So this was the fourth color. This size is also priced to be 750 free shipping. So let's just move to our next variety. This next variety that we have for you is a very beautiful, very latest combination, Kora Muslin Banarsi. So let's just have a full view in this as well. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful light magenta, or you can also call it Rani with royal blue combination, Kora Muslin sari. As you can, the body has this beautiful embossed pattern design with the zari woven contrast border. After the border, we have this very beautiful pallu as well in self color shade. And this here you'll be getting in the blouse. This is a very beautiful blouse as well. This saree is priced to be 999 free shipping. This is also a very affordable rate. You'll get these sarees at showroom price. You will be getting around 1700-1800 rupees for showroom price. We are giving you at 999 free shipping. So this was the very first color in this Kora Muslin collection. So let's just show you more colors in the Kora Muslin collection. We have 3 to 4 colors in this. So this is your second color combination. This is very beautiful dark lemon yellow with black color combination. Black, or this is very light brown or black. You can just, as you can see, with this very beautiful, we have tried to give in zari work embossed pattern design pallu, and also you'll be getting the same blouse as well. This size is also priced to be 999 free shipping. These are very affordable, very comfortable ranges we tried to give. Also you'll be getting free shipping pan India. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and message us on the number given below. So let's just have a look at this third piece of the Kora Muslin. So all this saree we have in very bulk quantity, so there's no issue, there's no need for confirming the quantity. You can just place your orders. We also specialize in taking uniform orders for these as well. So as you can see, the third color for the Kora Muslin we have is a very beautiful off-white with parrot green combination. Let's just have a close-up view of the border as well. The border has this beautiful embossed design, tree design with this very beautiful contrast shade pallu, and also you'll be getting contrast shade blouse as well. These are one of the best selling. This is one of the best selling combination in this, and we just recently sold around 100 or 125 pieces in uniform as well for the same saree. So let's just come to the fourth and last color of the Kora Muslin. This yet another very beautiful combination. This is bottle green, or you can also say dark green with Rani combination. This is one of the best selling combination, dark green with Rani. It is looking very decent. So in the saree you'll be getting this beautiful contrast shade pallu as well in brocade pattern design, contrast pallu. And after the pallu we have this very beautiful blouse as well. All these Kora Muslin are priced at rupees 999, free shipping. The shipping is free pan India. So this was the second collection for the day. We have lots of more beautiful collections to show you. So let's just get to our third product. This is a soft cotton range in the range of 900 rupees, 900 free shipping. So this is a very beautiful, very rare color combination, beige color. As you can see, the sari has this very beautiful antique zari woven bootas in the complete body of the sari with this contrast shade of zari woven border. And after the border, we'll be getting this very beautiful, authentic Banasi brocade pattern pallu as well in the contrast shade. And this here for you is a very beautiful blouse as well. So this sari is priced at rupees 900, free shipping. A very affordable thing. This sari you will getting the in showroom price for around 1500-1600 rupees. So let's just show you the second color, a very beautiful royal blue color. I'll be showing you 2-3 more colors in the complete view. So this is the second color combination, a very beautiful royal blue with light magenta shade, or you can also call it light purple shade. Soft cotton silk. As you can see, the fabric is very soft, very comfortable to wear. You'll be getting very beautiful plates in this as well. So this is the pallu for the sari, contrast pink color pallu, and this is the blouse for you. Same price, you'll be getting as 900 rupees, free shipping. I'll be showing you 2-3 more colors in this. So this here we have is a mehndi green color. As you can see, the mehndi green with light purple shade type of color we have tried to give in a contrast combination. This is the full view. After this, we also have this very beautiful black. A lot of people were asking for black color, jet black color. So we have tried to come with black with light purple combination. This same soft cotton, very comfortable, very easy to drape. This was the fourth color, and the last but not the least, a very beautiful pink with Rani combination. We have to take pink with Rani is looking very pretty. All these sarees are priced at rupees 900, free shipping. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and you can message us on the number given below. So this was our third range, and so let's just come to our next range. A bit premium tissue silk. Tissue silks are going very great. These are very soft, very comfortable tissue silks. We have tried to come up with embossed designs. Let's just have a full view. So as you can see, the body has this very beautiful floral design in the complete body of the sari with light pink color zari we have tried to use in the body with the sea green color contrast combination. As you can see, we have tried to give contrast shade with sea green. And after the body, you have this very beautiful rich jacquard pallu as well in the self color zari we have tried to give, and the same you will be getting the blouse as well. This saree is priced at rupees 1300, 1300, free shipping. Shipping will be getting free pan India. These are a lot of people have been saying that tissue silks
website.
A lot of people have been saying like tissue silks are not very comfortable to wear. So we have given it a fusion with tissue with soft silk. So these are very beautiful tissue soft silk. We call them tissue soft silk because these have the work of tissue, but with the combination of soft silk, the fabric is very smooth, very soft. There's no, you won't be getting any very itchy. The fabric is very good. So this is the second design, complete floral jal pattern design in complete body with sea green color combination. So this here is a pallu, the same pink color zari works we have given, and this here is your blouse. If you want to see any category complete collection, you can just go to our website ucshop.com and you can just go to the particular category and see all the collections that we have in that. We have launched recently a lots of beautiful collection. You just love it. If like this, if you want to see in our website, you can just go to tissue silk collection and you can watch all our tissue silks. These are tissue soft silk. All these are priced at rupees 1300, 1300, free shipping. So this is our best selling design for right now. Let's just have full view of this as well. So this is a very best selling design, a very beautiful handloom inspired carry pattern design in the complete body of the sari with sea green color combination border. All the sari have very beautiful embossed design. So this is your pallu of the sari. We try to give pink color zari with self zari work, and this here is your blouse. So let's just see a few more collections for tissue silk. So this here is another soft tissue silk combination we call this color mauve pink. As you can see, it is mauve pink color with sea green combination tissue silk saree. All the tissue silk saree price will be same, 1300 free shipping. For all this tissue silk, you'll be getting showroom price at something around 2000, 2200. This will be getting for the showroom price. This is also one of the best selling combinations. It is golden color saree, very light gold color combination with lemon yellow combination. This is very light gold with lemon yellow. This is also same soft silk collections with this very beautiful antique zari work jal pattern design, the complete body of the saree. As you can see, this is the border and this here is the body. So this was for tissue silk. So let's just come to our next collection. We have this very beautiful copper brocade pattern inspired design. We call this copper pattu sarees. This saree is priced at ₹999 free shipping. So as you can see, the body has this very beautiful copper zari woven design, complete body of the saree with same copper zari work in the body as well. But the body has floral design, but the border has bootas. And after the body, we have this very beautiful self zari woven pallu as well with tassels. And you'll be getting the same pallu work blouse as well. This saree is priced at ₹999 free shipping. We have different ranges in copper soft silk. Like this copper soft silk range is ₹999. We also have a next collection in 1300 as well. Will be coming to it as well. So this is copper soft silk at ₹999 free shipping. So let's just see more colors in this first. So this is second color in that. This is a very beautiful light maroon shade. So as you can see, it is the same design with copper zari work in the complete body of the saree. With copper zari work woven bootas as well. And this here is your pallu with tassel. We try to give tassel in the same self color shade. And this here is your blouse. So this was the second color for the saree. If you want to check out more collections in this ₹999 range, you can just go to our soft silk collection on our website. You will find lots of beautiful collection we have launched recently. So this is the third color for that, copper soft silk, a very beautiful royal blue with copper zari work. It is looking pretty decent, as you can see. You can place an order on our website also, or you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on a number given below. You can place an order directly on WhatsApp as well. So this here is the fourth and last color, is the black color, a very jet black with copper zari work. This is the fourth and last in the copper soft silk. So let's just get back to our soft cotton collection as well. So this is the second design in the soft cotton collection. This is very light purple shade. Let's just show you the full view. So this is the same, the very first collection that I shown you. This is a different design in that. Soft cotton silk at the rate of ₹750 free shipping. As you can see, the body has this beautiful chakra pattern bootas in the complete body of the saree with one boot of zari and one boot of resham work. And this here is a tassel at your pallu. The saree price is ₹750 free shipping. So let's just show you few more colors in that. This is a very beautiful light yellow with green combination with one boot of resham work and one boot of zari work. Same. We call this alagala pattern and design. So this is yellow color, and after the yellow, the very last color in this we have is very beautiful red with green combination. We have lots of more color coming up for this as well. So stay tuned for more videos. We'll be getting more colors in this as well. So this is a red color. So one of the best selling collections. So this is a very beautiful soft silk in silver zari collection. So let's just have a full view. This is a very beautiful pink color shade. So as you can see, the body has this very beautiful silver zari work in the carry pattern handloom inspired design in complete body of the saree. The same silver zari work in the border as well. And after the body, we have this very beautiful pallu as well, a very beautiful jacquard work pallu in silver zari shade, and the very beautiful blouse as well. This saree is priced at ₹1250, 1250 free shipping. So this is the very first color in this. So let's just show you few more colors. So this is a very beautiful sea green color, sea green in a silver zari shade. Price is same price is ₹1250. So to place an order, all you have to do is take in a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below. So this is a different design in the silver brocade shade. So I'll just open this design for you. So as you can see, this is a different design. The body has this beautiful silver zari embossed buta pattern design in the complete body of the saree with chakra buta in the border, and after the border we have this very beautiful rich brocade pallu as well in silver zari shade, and this here is the blouse. This is a peach color sari. It's also in the same price range, 1250 free shipping. Shipping is free pan India. So this we have a very beautiful yellow color combination, a different shade, yellow shade, in the same design, silver zari brocade pattern. And this is yet another design, a parrot color, silver brocade pattern design, floral jal pattern design. So this was it for today. We have more collections coming up for you in the next video. So this is what we'll be showing in the next video. This copper brocade pattern design, floral pattern copper brocade design. So also we'll ask you to please do like our video, share with your friends and family and all your loved ones, and also please do subscribe our channel so we can keep bringing to you more these more type of videos. So stay tuned, we'll be coming back soon.